So I decided to do a swipe with the Floetrol and Amsterdam White Titanium White, and I'm going to use a very bright orange. So this is Orange by Master's Touch, and I added a little of Titanium White by Master's Touch. They are Hobby Lobby paints. So I mix that in with Floetrol and water to the consistency that I like. So that's going to be a base paint. I think I might just do half and then half white. I don't know. No, maybe I'll do the whole thing orange. Colors I'm going to use some Dioxazine Purple. I'm going to use some Purple Flash by Folk Art. I'm going to use some Phthalo Green by Artist Loft. I'm going to use some Golden, and this is Anthracene Blue. I'm going to use a little Arteza Folk Art Pearl Yellow, and I'm going to use a little of the DIY Art Minds Candy Apple. Can't even get this paint anymore. It's like one of my favorites. So my metallic, I think I'm going to use a little darker brown bronze. I'm going to try that, see how that works. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to pour my base paint down and I'll be right back. So my base paint is down and I got orange all over me. That's okay. So I'm going to start layering my colors. I'm going to put a little of the green down first. Let's see, what do I want to do? Because this is a bigger canvas. Just going to go like this. That there. And that was the phthalo green. Put some Dioxazine Purple down. And then a little of the Folk Art Yellow. And let's do the Folk Art Purple Flash. And then the Anthracene Blue. A little of the Yellow Green. Candy Apple. This is going to be pretty, I think. All right. And then let's do the bronze. A little bit of the bronze. And swipe with my palette knife. And then my mixture of American Floetrol. Let's do the American Floetrol and water. And titanium white paint. Okay. I'm just going to put some on my knife. I just dipped it into the top of the... You don't want a whole lot on there. You just want enough to swipe with. Get a paper towel ready. And I'm going to swipe it. This is good. I'll go this way first. This is gorgeous in here. All right. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.